baby. She doesn't like me. Give me a minute. Amber. Amber. Who's a good girl? No, thank you for opening the window so you could watch the babies. Hi, Leo. Hi, Amber. Oh, there we go. Good girl. What are you watching? What are you watching? Yeah. What are you watching? Oh, there's a puppy. Yeah, good girl. Oh, hi, Lilo. Lilo. Good girl. What? Good boy. Bubba. Are you watching the burbies out on the burb feeder? That's the bird feeder over there. There's a bird on it. Am I gonna get a thank you? She's so cute.